I looked this way, and in the intersection there was another child.
In the intersection?
In the intersection. These children had been thrown from the bus.
3 children injured. 2 of them rushed to hospital with what's described as life-threatening injuries after a school bus and flatbed truck collided in Spruce Grove's Industrial Park Friday.
Members attend the scene and learned that there were multiple injuries. There were 3 children on the bus at the time, roughly between the ages of 8 and 13.
Police say the bus was driving northbound on Golden Spike Road when it was struck at Diamond Avenue around 8:15 a.m. Both drivers also taken to hospital, although stable. Alberta Health Services saying their injuries were serious.
The first place I went was there is a young child lying in the snow.
Chris Haligers worked nearby, rushing with her coworkers to help after hearing the collision, ready to give her jacket to one of the children ejected from the bus.
I kind of bent down to look at him, and he was awake, although obviously very frightened.
Saying a number of other residents stopped to help, and first responders were there shortly after.
Very quickly, which was very impressive.
Parkland School Division confirming this was one of their buses, and they've already dispatched their trauma response team Friday to help all parents, staff, and students impacted for as long as they need. The school division also thanking those who stopped to help.
Witnessing things like this all too often.
But anger for Haligers, saying she resent a letter to the city that she wrote 5 years ago, calling for safety improvements in the intersection.
This is what I was fearing, and this is what I said in the letter. Are we waiting for somebody to get killed, such as a child, which we came too close to today, way too close.
In a statement, a spokesperson for the city of Spruce Grove confirming they took on a third-party study of the intersection in 2016 and said improvements like traffic lights were not warranted. But they will be setting up intersection monitors again to see if there are any improvements needed. RCMP continue to investigate this collision, and AHS says an update on the patients cannot be provided until they have guardian consent. In Spruce Grove, Carly Robinson, City News.